Welcome back to Crypto Market Updates. This is a video to remind you to get yourself some free Kaspa. Not like free Kaspa, free. Whether you're mining it or buying it or you're doing neither one of those, all you need is a Kaspa wallet. So if you have a Kaspa wallet, you can get yourself free Kaspa every single day. Not a huge amount, but it's free crypto. Okay, here's how you do it. First thing you need to do is get yourself a wallet. The wallet can be downloaded at kdx.app/#home and download the KDX wallet. You can do that right here. Download, install. It comes in two different varieties, three I guess if you have Linux. And then once you have it installed, you can go over to right here. It says after downloading KDX, you can get Kaspa from the Kaspa faucet. This is a nice red display, so don't be dissuaded by the fact that it is looking a bit scary. If you go to the Kaspa faucet, you can hop over here, and this is the balance of Kaspa inside the faucet. 870 Kaspa in the faucet. This is the Kaspa address. This is my address, so never mind. And requests are limited to a maximum of 0.009 Kaspa per IP address per 24 hours, which means that's how much you get per day. This is not a small amount, but I would like to remind you, if 10 years ago somebody had told you, if you knew what you know today, or even today, if somebody said, hey, how would you like to get 0.009 free Bitcoin every single day, I wouldn't say no to it. So there you go. Go over, type in the put in your address, put in your amount. Then there's only one option, mainnet. You need to pass the capture here. You just choose your shoes. This is done twice, 2 sets of shoes, and then it's confirmed and you can go. I don't have an address here, but even if I did, I still have 0 remaining. I've got about 4 hours, I think, remaining till I can withdraw my Kaspa. But so that's how you do it. I will put the link below the video for you to make it easy for you to go over and check it out. And of course, get yourself some free Kaspa. And also, if you'd like to get into some mining Monero, then make sure to check out my previous video. I'll post it right here. That shows you how to start mining very easily, very quickly, Monero using your CPU on your computer without having to purchase expensive hardware and without having to have a lot of technical knowledge on how to set up a Monero miner on your computer. So make sure to check that video out, and of course smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.